ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वज्ञानहयग्रीवमुपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानामहयग्रीवमुपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानक्षणमुद्देक्षम् दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवं प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देव सदा तुदीयादयादरङ्गाणतिराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनं विशेषवित्पादतृष्णाः विदग्धगोष्ठीसमराङ्गनेषु जिगीषितोमेकवेदार्केन्द्रान् जिह्वाग्रसिंहासनमभ्युपेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजय पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरेकेण षण्णाम्लान् श्रीरमदहृदयं स्वेत्पावयन् आविर्भूयाद्धनगमयिमा मानसे वागधीशः So till last class we have seen the verbs, introduction of nouns. That is, we started with alphabets. Then vowels, consonants, joint letters, and the words. Everywhere we have seen words. Somebody is writing. Hello, please. Someone is misusing. Then we have seen the words also in every stage. From vowels also we have seen the words, then consonants, joint letters, and we have seen special joint letter words without any joint letters, letters without even without the matras also. Okay, we have seen, and we have seen the words with only with matras. Then we have seen the words with conjunct consonant, that is consonant and consonant, that is joint letters. Then we have seen the introduction of nouns in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. Then we have seen the present tense verbs. Okay, now we are moving towards next level. Okay, that is Vakyani, sentences. Okay, simple sentences. See how to use the noun and the verb, that's all. Okay, so we are moving here. So let me read first, afterwards students can read. Gajaha chalati. Please repeat, do not unmute. Okay, Gajaha chalati, Gajaha chalanti. Again, Gajaha chalati, Gajaha chalanti. Repeat 2 times. Those who are unable to read, they have to repeat 2 times or 3 times. I will give you space. Okay, I will give you break. But you have to utilize it to repeat after me. Okay. And one more thing I would like to tell you once again that when I am reading, after that students are reading, all should be online. It's not that when you get the time then you will come to the line and you will read, because it happens. I am noticing that I guess, okay, I may be wrong, but I guess that even after reading by 10 students, 5 students, 6 students, you are unable to read. You are asking what is this. So that's not right. Okay, so you have to pay attention for 1 hour. That's very, very important, because you have made the assurance that you will come, join, and you will learn, and you will concentrate. You will be here during this time. You will not go here and there for anything, even bathroom also, because before that you go. Okay, before the class you go, and whatever you want to have, some snacks or booze or anything, whatever, you finish it. Then you come and sit in the class so that you can concentrate. Okay, sometimes I request the elders also, when children are reading, please some guest or somebody are keep on talking. It is disturbing the students. So at that time at least at that time when they are reading on the mic, you may keep quiet for some times. Okay, so because they are given chance for 2 minutes like that, so at that time please better to stay quiet for some times. And we request that even elders please sit with them, but let them read, encourage them, but no, need not tell them before while they are reading. Let them do mistakes, no problem. We will not take it a wrong way. Children have to fall down, then they have to get up. It's not that my child should not fall down, my child should not do mistakes, means so that's not right. Okay, let them do mistakes so that I will understand how students are doing, in what level they are there. So I have to understand. So let them do mistakes, let them read, okay, let them read on their own, let them do mistakes, no problem, no issues. We will not feel bad. Okay, so please focus on reading and learning. Okay, when others are reading, you have to be with the lesson and you have to repeat. Please understand, you also read so that everybody can read faster. No, you can learn faster. So I don't have chance, so let me go around and come back, or keep it off and doing some other work. That should not do. Okay, I'll be doing some homework. That should not happen. Okay, so let me read, please repeat, focus on your learning. Gajaha chalati. Gajaha chalanti. Repeat 2 times or 3 times. Next line. Balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathanti. Again, balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathanti. Purushaha yachati. Purushaha yachanti. Again, Purushaha yachati. Purushaha yachanti. Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha japanti. Again, Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha japanti. Let me read once again all these things. Okay, Gajaha chalati. Gajaha chalanti. Singular, plural. Okay, Gajaha singular, Gajaha plural. Chalati singular, Chalanti plural. Okay, understand this. Balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathanti. Balakaha singular, Balakaha plural. Pathati singular, Pathanti plural. Okay, next. Purushaha yachati. Purushaha yachanti. Purushaha singular, Purushaha plural. Yachati singular, Yachanti plural. Tapasaha japati. Tapasaha japanti. Tapasaha singular, Tapasaha plural. Japati singular, Japanti plural. Okay, please read. ஒரு 4-5 பேர் படிக்கிட்டோம்.
அடியன் அவசியம் சுவாமி. ஸ்ரீ கேஷவ் ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? ஆரம்பிங்கம்மா.
ஓகே டியர். கஜஹ சலந்தி. கஜாஹ சலந்தி. बालकः पठति. बालकाः पठन्ति.
पुरुषः यच्छति.
पुरुषाः यच्छन्ति तापसः जपति तापसाः जपन्ति
very good next
அடியன் ஸ்ரீ யவனிகா வாசிக்கலாமா?
अडियन् गजः चलति गजाः चलन्ति बालकः पठति बालकाः पठन्ति पुरुषाः यच्छन्ति पुरुषाः
यच्छति singular
पुरुषाः यच्छन्ति तापतः जपति तापसाः जपन्ति
ஓகே தன்யோஸ்மி அடுத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் படிக்கும் பொழுதும் நீங்கள்லாம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும் ஓகேவா படிச்சாச்சுன்னு விட்டுறக்கூடாது அப்பதான் நல்லா படிக்க வரும் ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட்
ஸ்ரீநிதி எஸ் வாசிங்கோமா
Adiyan Gajah Chalati an elephant walks Gajah Chalanti elephants walk Balakah Patati a boy reads Balakaah Patanti boys read Purushah Yachati a man gives Purushaah Yachanti men give Tapasah Japati ascetic utters tapasaha japanti ascetics utter dhanyasmi
அடியன் ஸ்ரேயஸ் வாசிக்கலாமா?
gajah chalati gajah
நாச்சு வாசி உள்ள போயிடுத்து
पुरुषः यच्छति पुरुषः यच्छन्ति जपति जपन्ति
நன்னா படிச்சேன் ஆனா பாதி வேர்டு எங்களுக்கு கேட்கவே இல்லை ஏன்னு தெரியல சிக்னல் சரியில்லை
அடியன் ஸ்ரேயஸ் சுவாமி சொன்ன மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் வாய்ஸ் பிரேக் ஆகுதுமா?
गजः चलति गजः चलन्ति
गजाः
चलन्ति बालकः पठति बालकाः पठन्ति पुरुषः यच्छति पुरुषाः यच्छन्ति तापसः जपति तापसाः जपन्ति
उत्तम
அடியன் சாஸ்வத் 21 பேட்ச் வாசிக்கலாமா?
गजः चलति गजाः चलन्ति an elephants walk बालकः पठति बालकाः पठन्ति a boy reads boys read
पुरुषः पुरु
Gachati. A man gives, men give. Tapasah chapati. Tapasaha chapanti. Ascetic
Danyas.
அடியன் சுவாமி 5 குழந்தைகள் இப்போ இத வாசிச்சிருக்கா அடியன்.
அடுத்து. Now see, one more thing I wanted to tell you, I forgot. These are masculine words, please remember. Gajaha, gajaha, balakaha, balakaha, purushaha, purushaha, tapasaha, tapasaha. These are all masculine words, singular and plural. Chalati, chalanti, pathati, pathanti, tyachati, tyachanti, japati, japanti. These are all verbs in third person. Remember, third person singular, third person plural. Okay, one thing we should remember, there is no gender in Sanskrit, in the verbs, particularly in verbs. I'm talking about the verbs. Verbs don't have any gender. For example, English la vande I go, you also go, you go, he goes, she goes, only angada maarradhu. Okay, they go, you all go, we all go, marla. So all are one, and marda. Chalati, chalatina, selgiran. What about female? Same chalati only, there is no change. Okay, and neuter gender, same chalati only, there is no difference. Okay, chalati is masculine, feminine, neuter gender, all three. There's no gender difference in the verb. Okay, we'll see next. Now let me read. Lata pushpyati. Okay, you have to repeat 2 or 3 times. Okay, remember, you all will be watching. Don't think that I am not watching you, I am not seeing you, or nobody is watching, so you can simply sit and enjoy something else. Don't feel so. Okay, don't think so. You have come to learn this beautiful language. Okay, and they are spending lot of time, lot of energy, manpower, everything. It's going on. The Sampradaya Manjari is doing excellent work. So you have taken part. You are so lucky. You are so lucky to get. Lot of people are looking for the platform and teacher here and there. Okay, so please understand that you have joined an excellent program. So continue this, don't stop. I request the parents, please let them continue at least for 6 to 7 years at least. They will become a great children in future. Okay, so they can rejoice this when they are grown up. Yes, I did not miss my childhood. They will feel so. Okay, and you can also feel proud of them, whatever they are learning here. But every day, please, every day you give them the chance to take this beautiful, wonderful platform. I am seeing last 3-4 years, I am seeing that they are doing excellent work. Children are performing beautifully, and I have seen the growth of the children also. How beautifully they have grown up with culture and sampradaya, knowledge of sampradayam, Vedic chanting, sloga chanting. What a beautiful way they are chanting the stotras and Vedic scripture also. This you will not get in one platform. It's a beautiful, wonderful, excellent idea of the group of people, and they are doing a lot of things. I request the parents, please tell your friends and bring in so many number of people inside. Children desperately required the teachings of culture and our sampradayam. It's very, very important. Please spread this message. Don't leave it with only your children. You inform the neighbor children and others, and keep on telling, please join. I'm also telling, I'm also giving them the contact, so they have to join. Otherwise they will be missing the childhood. Those who are lucky, they join. Those who don't lucky, they are waiting for their chance. But we don't know when chance will come. We have to grab when chance is coming. So I request and appeal the parents to encourage the children to focus completely on this, and spare 1 hour whatever it's there, that let them spare. Okay, please repeat, do not go here and there. Okay, So now let me read, please you repeat it. Okay. Lata pushpyati, repeat 2 or 3 times. Lataah pushpyanti, this is actually feminine gender. Lata, lataah, singular and plural. Lata, lataah, singular and plural. Pushpyati, singular. Pushpyanti, plural. Okay, pushpyati na பூக்கிறது அர்த்தம். கொடி பூக்கிறது. லதாஹ புஷ்பயந்தி, கொடிகள் பூக்கின்றன. Okay, the creepers put forth flowers. So singular word gets singular verb, plural verbs get plural noun get plural verb. Okay, next let me read once again. Okay, you all will repeat. Lata pushpyati, lataah pushpyanti, bala vadati, balaah vadanti. Again, bala vadati, balaah vadanti. Lalana gacchati, lalanaah gacchanti. Again, lalana gacchati, lalanaah gacchanti. Prabha pathati, prabha pathati, prabhaah pathanti. Prabhaah pathanti. Let me read once again. Lata pushpyati, lataah pushpyanti. Repeat, we have to repeat. Okay. Bala vadati, balaah vadanti. Lalana gacchati, lalanaah gacchanti. Prabha pathati, prabhaah pathanti. Okay, please read. 4 or 5 students may read this.
Adiyan avasyan swami. Shashwat Shriram Vasingoma.
Adiyan. Lata pushyati, a creeper who
pushpyati, not pushyati na. See, there's a big difference between pushyati and pushpyati. Pushpyati na பூக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம், புஷ்யத்தினா வளர்றதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, இந்த பா நடுவுல இல்லைன்னா வளர்றதுன்னு அர்த்தம். அதனால புஷ்பயதி, புஷ்யத்தினா வளர்றது, புஷ்டியோட வளர்றது, என்னன்னா growth, well grown அர்த்தம். ஓகே, படிங்க.
Lata pushpyati, a creeper puts both flowers. Lataah pushpyanti, creepers put forth flowers. Bala vadati, bala vadanti. Lalana gacchati, lalanaah gacchanti. Prabha patati, prabhaah patanti. Dhanyasmi adiyan.
Dhanyasmi.
Adiyan. Madhav Vasingoma.
Adiyan. Adiyan. Lata pushpayati, lataah
pushpayati illa, pushpyati.
Lata pushpayati, pushpyati. Lataah pushyanti.
No.
बाला वदति बालाः वदन्ति ललना गच्छति ललनाः गच्छन्ति प्रभा पठति प्रभाः पठन्ति
धन्यवादः
அடியேன் ஸ்ரீநிதி அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்ரீநித்யா வாசிங்கோமா.
அடியேன் கேக்குதா?
நல்லா கேக்குது.
அடியேன் லதா புஷ்யதி லதா புஷ்ப்யதி லதாः புஷ்ப்யन्ति बाला वदति बालः वदन्ति ललना गच्छति ललनाः गच्छन्ति प्रभा पठति प्रभाः पठन्ति
लता पुष्पति लताः पुष्पति बाला
पुष्प्यति very good
बाला वदति बालः वदिनत् ललना गच्छति ललनः गच्छति ललनः गच्छन्ति प्रभा पठित प्रभाः पठित.
அடியேன் அனந்தன் சேஷ ஸ்ரீவாஸ்தவமா.
लता पुष्यन् लता पुष्यति creeper puts 4 flowers लता पुष्यन्ति creepers put 4 flowers बाला वदति a girl speaks बालाः वदन्ति girl speak ललना गच्छति ललनाः गच्छन्ति प्रभा पठति प्रभा reads प्रभाः पठन्ति प्रभा has read arrange the news लता पश्यति लता पुष्यति a creeper puts 4 flowers लताः पुष्यन्ति creepers put 4 flowers vadati a girl speaks bala vadanti a girl speaks lalana gachati lalana gachati a lady goes lalana gachati a lady go
पठति
प्रभा पठति प्रभा reads प्रभाः प्रभाः पठति पठन्ति प्रभास् read again
धन्योस्मि
அடியன் சுவாமி ஒரு 5-6 குழந்தைகள் வாசிச்சிருக்காங்க.
அடுத்து napumsakalinga. Now we have seen pullinga, strilinga, and now napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga means what? The words. So what we have learnt, munadi enna kathundom, what are the masculine words? Masculine words na enna kathundom? The words ending with a, e, u. Okay va? Correct dane? Gaja, okay, masculine word. Gajaha. Balakaha, masculine word. Okay, Purushaha, masculine word. Tapasa becomes Tapasaha, masculine word. Okay, inga paakudadu, plural la paakudadu, singular la irukchena paakudum. Then Lata, edula mudiyirudhu a. So a, e, idu renduthula mudiyira words வந்து ஸ்ரீலிங்கா words. Okay, a, e, u இதுல முடியறதுல masculine, a, e ல முடியற noun words la feminine. Okay, Lata, Bala, Lalana, Prabha. Okay, these are all feminine gender words. Okay, now napumsakalingam. What is napumsakalingam word? Words ending with or napumsakalinga words. Pushpam, Nayanam, Mitram, Ratnam. Okay, you understood? We have learned this earlier. Okay, so Pushpam, Nayanam, Mitram, Ratnam. See, Mitram na friend in peru. Friend வந்து மேலா ஃபீமேலா ரெண்டுமே இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா? ஆனா வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கம். Why it is நபும்சகலிங்கம் அப்படின்னா அது வந்து அம்ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கிறதுனால மித்ரம்ன்ற வேர்டு வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கம். அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகேவா? அதுக்கோசரம் ஃப்ரெண்ட் வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கமா மாறிட மாட்டார். ஃப்ரெண்ட் வந்து புல்லிங்கமோ மேலா இருந்தா மேலு, ஃபீமேலா இருந்தா ஃபீமேலு. ஃப்ரெண்டு மாற மாட்டார். ஆனா வேர்டு வந்து மாறிடும். ஓகேவா? இங்க வேர்டுல தான் இதுவே. ஓகேவா? Then let me read, you will repeat. Okay, Pushpam patati. Repeat, please, repeat. Pushpani patanti. Again, Pushpam patati. Pushpani patanti. Nayanam spurati. Nayanani sphuranti. Mitram likhati. Mitrani likhanti. Again, the mun sentence povo. Nayanam spurati. Repeat. Nayanam spurati. Nayanani sphuranti. Okay. Mitram likhati. Mitrani likhanti. Next. Ratnam jwalati. Repeat. Ratnani jwalanti. Again, Ratnam jwalati. Ratnani jwalanti. Okay? Yeah. Again, let me read one time fully. Pushpam patati. Pushpani patanti. Nayanam spurati. Nayanani sphuranti. Mitram likhati. Mitrani likhanti. Ratnam jwalati. Ratnani jwalanti. Pushpam singular. Pushpani plural. Nayanam singular. Nayanani plural. Mitram singular. Mitrani plural. Ratnam singular. Ratnani plural. Same way, patati singular. Patanti plural. Spurati singular. Spuranti plural. Likhati singular. Likhanti plural. Jwalati singular. Jwalanti plural. Please read. 4 or 5 students, please.
அடியன் அவசியம் சுவாமி. அஸ்வத் நாராயணன் வாசிங்கோமா.
அடியன் वस्तु पुष्पं पतति पुष्पाणि पतन्ति नय नय
नयनं स्फुरति
नयनं स्फुरति नयनानि स्फुरन्ति मित्रं
लिखति
मित्राणि लिखन्ति
वेरी गुड
रत्नं जलति रत्नानि ज्वलन्ति
वेरी गुड
அடியம்மா ஸ்ரீ வல்லபன் வாசிங்கோமா
अडियन् पुष्पं पतति पुष्पाणि पतन्ति नयनं स्फुरति नयनानि स्फुरन्ति मित्रं लिखति मित्राणि लिखन्ति रत्नं ज्वलन्ति रत्नानि ज्वलन्ति
அடியன் ஸ்ரீ கேஷவ் வாசிங்கோமா
sorry Adit
படிங்க அடியே
पुष्पं पतति पुष्पाणि पतन्ति नयनं
स्फुरति
स्फुटति नयनानि स्फुरन्ति मित्रं लिखति मित्राणि लिखन्ति रलं ज्वलति
रत्नं ज्वलति
रत्नं ज्वलति रत्नानि ज्वलन्ति
அடியன் ஸ்ரீ யவனிகா வாசிக்கலாமா
अडियन् पुष्पं पतति पुष्पाणि पतन्ति नयनं स्फुरति नयनानि स्फुरन्ति मित्रं लिखति मित्राणि लिखन्ति रत्नं ज्वलन्ति रत्नानि ज्वलन्ति अडिन्
धन्योस्मि
அடியன் ஸ்ரீநிதி எஸ் வாசிங்கோமா
पुष्पं पतति a flower falls पुष्पाणि पतन्ति flowers fall nayanam स्फुरति an eye flutters nayanani स्फुरन्ति eyes flutter mitram likhati a friend writes mitrani likhanti friends write ratnam jwalati a gem glitters रत्नानि ज्वलन्ति gems glitter धन्योस्मि
அடியன் சுவாமி 5 குழந்தைகள் வாசிச்சிருக்கா அடியன்.
Very good. Santosh. Now. So this is second person. This is second person. Let me read. Second person is you. Okay. Tvam pathasi. Please repeat. Tvam pathasi. Yuyam patatha. Please repeat. Tvam pathasi. Yuyam patatha. Tvam kshipasi. Yuyam kshipatha. Tvam kshipasi. Yuyam kshipatha. Tvam tyajasi. Yuyam tyajatha. Again. Tvam tyajasi. Yuyam tyajatha. Next. Tvam gumphasi. Yuyam gumpatha. Tvam gumphasi. Yuyam gumpatha. Gumphatsi naka katradhu nartham. Okay, string or tie. You tie. Okay, Yuyam gumpatha. You all tie. Katradhu. Mala katradhu. Okay. Again. Tvam pathasi. Yuyam patatha. Tvam kshipasi. Yuyam kshipatha. Tvam tyajasi. Yuyam tyajatha. Tvam gumphasi. Yuyam gumpatha. Okay, please read. இது ஒரு 5-6 பேர் படிக்கட்டும்.
அடியன் அவசியம் சுவாமி. ஸ்ரேயஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா?
त्वं पठसि यूयं पठथ त्वं क्षिपसि यूयं क्षिपथ त्वं त्यजसि यूयं त्यजथ त्वं गुम्फसि यूयं गुम्फथ.
அடியன் சாஸ்வத் 21 பேட்ச் வாசிங்கோமா?
त्वं पठसि यूयं पठथ. You read, you all read. Tvam क्षिपसि यूयं क्षिपथ. त्वं त्वं यच्छसि यूयं यच्छथ. You give up, you all give up. Tvam gumpasi यूयं gumpatha. You gumpatha. You
அடியன் சாஸ்வத் ஸ்ரீராம் வாசிக்கலாமா?
Adiyan?
okay Adiyan.
Tvam patasi. Yuyam patasi. I mean yuyam patatha. Yuyam patatha. Tvam shipasi. Yuyam shipatha. त्वं यजसि यूयं यजत अडियन् त्वं गुम्फसि यूयं गुम्फत धन्योस्मि अडियन्
धन्योस्मि
அடியன் மாதவ் வாசிக்கலாமா?
त्वं पठसि यूयं पठत यूयं पठथ त्वं क्षिपसि यूयं कृपथ क्षिपथ त्वं त्यजसि त्वं यूयं त्यजथ त्वं गुम्फसि यूयं गुम्फत
அடியன் மாதவ். அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து யார் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாளோ அவள்கிட்ட சொல்லிடுங்க, நானே படிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. சரியா? அண்ணா சொல்லி கொடுத்தா அண்ணாட்ட அண்ணா இருனா நானே படிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன். சரியா? அடியன்மா, அடியன் சுவாமி. அடுத்தது ஸ்ரீநித்யா, ஸ்ரீநிதி வாசிக்கலாமா?
अडियन् त्वं पठसि यूयं पठतः त्वं क्षिपसि यूयं क्षिपत त्यजसि यूयं त्यजत त्वं गुम्फसि यूयं गुम्फत धन्योस्मि
धन्योस्मि
अडियन् त्वं पठसि यूयं पठत त्वं क्षिपसि यूयं क्षिपत त्वं त्यजसि यूयं त्यजत त्वं गुम्फसि यूयं गुम्फत.
அடியன் சுவாமி, 5-6 குழந்தைகள் வாசிச்சிருக்கா அடியன்.
அடுத்தது உத்தம புருஷः. நெக்ஸ்ட் உத்தம புருஷः. அகம் லிखा. உத்தம புருஷன் என்ன? ஐ அப்படிங்கிறது உத்தம புருஷः, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சன் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். அகம் லிखामि, அகம் லிखामि, வயம் லிखामः, அகம் லிखामि, வயம் லிखामः. नेक्स्ट अहं धावामि, वयं धावामः, अहं धावामि, वयं धावामः. अहं नमामि, वयं नमामः, अहं खादामि, वयं खादामः, अहं खादामि, वयं खादामः. Okay, let me repeat once again. Aham likhami, वयं लिखामः अहं धावामि वयं धावामः अहं नमामि वयं नमामः अहं खादामि वयं खादामः ओके இது ஒரு 4-5 பேர் படிக்கட்டும்
அடியேன் சுவாமி அனந்தன் சேஷஸ்ரீவாசங்கோம
लिखामि I write वयं लिखामः we write अहं धावामि I run वयं धावामः we run अहं नमामि I bow वयं नमामः we bow अहं खादामि I speak वयं खादामः we speak अरियन लिखामि I write वयं लिखामः we write अहं धावामि I run वयं धावामः we run अहं नमामि I bow वयं नमामः वयं नमामः we bow अहं खादामि I speak वयं खादामः we speak again the news
அடியேன் அஸ்வத் நாராயணன் வாசிங்கோம
अहं लिखामि गयन् लिखानः द्रवं दयं धवः अहं नमामि धवं नमामः अहं धमि बह बं क अथामः
அடியேன் ஸ்ரீ வல்லபன் வாசிங்கோம
अडियन लिखामि I write वयं लिखामः we write अहं धावामि I run वयं धावामि we run नमामि I bow वयं नमामः we I speak. Vayam we sit. Vayam vayam.
அடியம்மா ஸ்ரீ கேசவ் வாசிங்கம்மா.
Aham likhami. I write. Vayam likhamaha. We write. Aham dhavami. I run. Vayam dhavami. Dhavamaha. We run. Aham namami. I bow. Vayam namamaha. We bow. Aham khadami. I speak. Vayam khadamaha. We speak. Danyas Median.
அடியன் சுவாமி 5 குழந்தைகள் வாசிச்சிருக்கா அடியன்.
சரி சரி, இதோட இன்னைக்கு போறோம், நிறுத்திக்கலாம். இந்த லெசன் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இதோட இந்த லெசன் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. தன்யவாதம். முடிச்சுக்கலாம் இதோட. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रिः. पुनर्मिलामः.